Hello, everyone. What a great event and what a month we have behind us. It's extra inspiring to stand here again with you, Jonathan, and have the pleasure to update all of you around the world with what is happening in the company. The focus the past weeks has been to improve processes and workflows in order to make sure that all departments continue to deliver state-of-the-art support, and this will never stop.
Yes, and we have both been in the company for a while, but there are new people in all the departments. In creatives with film design events, we have products working on the sourcing and integration, customer support and compliance with more languages, Europe and Africa and Asia support as well.
Yeah, and the finance and legal department with its focus on international expansion. IT with cutting-edge knowledge within both front-end and back-end. And of course, the focus on the network, where we have increased number of leader calls to give more online training and information.
All units are increasing. Everything from the young, the hungry, talented people, as well as experienced, smart, well-known and respected people. They have one thing in common, and they are here in the organization to give you, as networkers, the best possible support and products so you successfully can build the business.
We have already some updates to show you from our new back office. Some of the features are call to actions, for example, for promotions, events and magazines, countdowns for new product launches, faster loading time, and the major thing is that we, with this, makes the communication better between CROWD1 and the network, much clearer and more direct.
And mentioned before from our CEO, Johan Stahl von Holstein, at the previous event and today as before, the education package will be updated and, more important, upgraded. So before the end of this year, you're going to see these changes. And knowledge is never heavy to carry. And we have been working on making these changes to come into reality. We are changing the whole structure, where the education material will be upgraded and additional business tools will be added. These changes will be significant. And since it's more than education, we have chosen to rename it to the entrepreneurial package.
Last time we were on stage, you mentioned that we have something together, that we came from a background as entrepreneurs in different businesses. We also shared the passion for supporting other people to become successful entrepreneurs. We are here to give you some early and insightful information on the updates. The entrepreneurial package can be divided into 3 different pillars to support you as an entrepreneur and your business. First, you have the training and education part. This part will be open for all our affiliates that today have an educational package, and for all that buys an entrepreneurial package in the future. Today's educational content provided by my Grid Hub will remain the same, but they will be open, all the courses will be open for everyone. On top of this, we are adding a totally new and upgraded training tool called Mindo. Let us look at some screenshots from Mindo.
So the great thing with an audio tool is that you can be built and bring wherever you're going to go. It's built for the mobile usage. You can make sure that you can start and stop your training, and you can bring it with you the whole time to make sure that you have the education with you to be able to proceed and develop your knowledge the whole time. If you bring it with you, it means that you can study wherever you go. And now let us look at the content as well.
Mindo's offering several different courses for you to success, such as building your business, personal development, rhetorics, and CROWD1 specific courses, and much, much more. We have already the following courses ready or under production. 8 courses about business, 6 courses about motivation, 1 course about rhetorics, 1 course about social media, and 1 course about cryptocurrency.
The CROWD1 specific courses will be, for instance, cover topics such as how to start your CROWD1 business and 12 steps to success. This is an inspirational audiobook by Peter Jacobson. These ones are produced as followed. Get started with 6 chapters, key people with 6 chapters as well, and then 12 steps to success with 12 chapters. There are 2 really important things to keep in mind. The first one, the audiobooks will have language support for the top languages we have in CROWD1. And second, we will continue to develop and add more courses and content to Mindo. These upgrades will of course always be for free.
Yeah. This is with the aim to be the Tesla in education, a little bit better after each update.
The next part that will be added to the entrepreneurial package is a set of business tools. These ones have been developed to support you and the downlines in the day-to-day business. These ones will be rolled out with the packages as soon as they are tested and ready to go.
And finally, we have the third pillar. This is a new concept called Entrepreneurial Days. This is a motivational and inspiring event that will be hosted twice a year. During the Entrepreneurial Days, we will gather speakers from different businesses and industries to share their views and learnings from their experience as an entrepreneur. Tickets for those days will be included in the bigger packages, but they will also be available for purchase for all of our CROWD1 affiliates.
The entrepreneurial package will be rolled out before the end of December and will be updated on regular basis. All you who are watching and all the members, you need to keep in mind that we are all entrepreneurs. We are all this since this is the best possible way to build the future with a cutting technology and the strongest compensation plan in the industry. With that said, thank you so much for your time. Thank you for being here.
Thank you.
Yeah.